Hello, this Bob from ZIQI Compressor Shanghai Company. We are a professional air compressor system manufacturer and supplier since 2007, located at Shanghai, China. Today, I'm glad to introduce one set GB series combined school air compressor for you. The school air compressor, refrigerator air dryer, air storage tank, and the 3 precision features built in one before leaving factory. As for the customer, it's very easily for installation and more space saving. Okay, now please all colleagues to help us open the air compressor cabinet to let us see the inside of the school air compressor machine. Okay, such as the school air compressor. This is a pre-features. It's very easily to do the maintenance and replacement to make sure more clean air to enter the air compressor cabinet. It can extend the using life of the air filter element. Here is a plate type refrigerator air dryer with environment-friendly refrigerant and Japanese compressor, higher drive efficient and more energy saving. And the 3 levels Italy technology precision features. It's very easily to do the maintenance. And such as the pipe with the stainless material, anti-corrosion and non-pollution for the compressed air. Okay, here is a controller, or in English, display, such as the electric component. The contactor is the Schneider, French Schneider brand. This is the oil air vessel, the bigger size than ordinary, and equipped with a safety valve, pressure gauge, and mirror, oil level mirror, 3-stage filter efficiency with a higher efficiency to separate the compressed air and the lubrication oil, and with genuine paper materials, lower pressure drop for energy saving, and such as the oil tuber is with Italy Manulier brand. The using life is over 5 times than ordinary. And with ZIQI unique connector technology, 100% to make sure non-leakage. A higher air filter, and this is the intake valve. The Gemini technology, and with 526 most advanced toothbrush school air range, higher efficient and more durable. This is the electric motor, ZIQI custom made with IP55 protection, class 5 insulation, a synchronous 3-phase induction motor, higher efficiency and more durable, suitable for any harsh environment. At the bottom of the motor with the 3 vibration, 4 pieces vibration pad to make sure the air compressor working with a more lower noises and more stable working. Here is the axial fan, and with a bigger size cooler. Okay, if you are interested in the school air compressor machine, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye.